Annin tofu is a classic dessert in Japanese Chinese cuisine. With its jelly-like texture, fragrant almond flavor, and diced fruit in sweet syrup, this chilled treat is the perfect refreshing finale to a rich dinner. Ingredients and recipe are on JapaneseCooking101.com. In a small bowl, combine gelatin and water and let it bloom. In a saucepan, heat the milk and sugar over medium heat until just before boiling. Turn off the heat, add the bloomed gelatin, and stir until completely dissolved. Add the heavy cream and almond extract and mix well. Next, place the pot over the bowl of ice water to cool and stir continuously with a spatula until the mixture is cold and slightly thickened. Pour evenly into 4 small glasses or ramekins. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until fully set. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare the syrup. In a small pot, combine water and sugar. Heat until the sugar is completely dissolved and let cool, then refrigerate. Cut some fruits into small pieces and keep them chilled. We are using kiwi, cherries, and canned mandarin orange, but you can use any fruits you like. Just before serving, top each annin tofu with the prepared fruit and gently pour the chilled syrup over the top. Despite the name, there is no soy in it. The tofu part comes from its smooth white appearance. It's light and refreshing with just the right amount of sweetness. Hope you try it soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。